Welcome to the Futuristic Gadgets channel. Discover the latest car tech, cutting-edge gadgets, and futuristic mods that push driving to the next level. Stay ahead with innovations that redefine the future of cars. Number 1. Passenger Car Jack. The passenger car jack lifts up to 6,614 pounds despite its compact size. The jack is fully mechanized, elevators with a convenient handle, and allows you to easily and safely lower your vehicle. All this makes it simply indispensable. Whether you are in the city or out of town, it'll help you change a punctured tire in minutes. The design of the jack is well thought out, so you cannot worry about stability. A wide foot reliably holds the car. The main thing is that its clearance is between 4 and 17 inches. This jack is ideal for road trips, garage work, and emergencies where quick and safe lifting is required. Number 2. Professional Plastic Gurney. This professional plastic gurney on rollers is designed to work onto the car in a horizontal position, allows you to comfortably and safely inspect the underbody of the car, carry out repairs and maintenance. The body is injection molded from impact and abrasion-resistant high-density polyethylene. The gurney can support up to 350 pounds, with the gurney itself weighing only 14 pounds, will not break even in low temperatures, and will not deform in high temperatures. The rollers swivel in different directions, making it comfortable to move around. There's also an adjustable headrest for improved comfort and 2 compartments on the sides. For tools. Number 3. ICSIC 410S Plus Dry Ice Cleaning System. I would like to introduce a true monster in the world of dry ice, the ICSIC 410S Plus Cleaning System. If you are serious about dry ice cleaning on a production level, this is the only machine you should have. You won't find anything like it in terms of usability, design, and build quality. The housing is made entirely of stainless steel. Dry ice flow rate is up to 4.04 pounds per minute, and compressed airflow rate up to 530 cubic feet per minute, depending on the nozzle type. The hopper holds 55 pounds of dry ice. Noise levels range from 60 to 120 decibels depending on pressure, nozzle type, and surface being cleaned. Operating pressure is up to 16 bar. The compressed air connection is via a DIN 3489 claw type connection, and the power supply is 100 to 240 volts. The patented granule grinding system produces very fine particles that can remove dirt from the most sensitive surfaces, such as glossy molds, pneumatic and electrical lines, etc. The new feed system ensures a constant and uniform flow of ice, and the insulated hopper minimizes the sublimation of dry ice and allows you to work without interruption. The high variability of settings combined with a wide range of nozzles, ILME electrical connectors, and rational air distribution with integrated filtration gives a significant advantage over the competition. The IC410S is the ideal solution for cleaning the most difficult surfaces. Number 4. TDD Smart Steering Wheel Paddle Shifter. Today, I would like to tell you about a very cool gadget, TDD Smart Steering Wheel Paddle Shifter. If you like driving sensations and want more control over your car, these paddles are for you. With them, you can change gears without taking your hands off the wheel, just like in racing cars. But TDD is not just paddles, but a whole complex with many advanced functions. Firstly, they're equipped with LED illumination, which is synchronized with engine speed. The higher the RPM, the brighter the pedals light up. Secondly, they have a special mobile application, LED Performance. It communicates with the pedals via Bluetooth and shows in real time a lot of useful information from the onboard computer. Number 5. Easy Auto Wrap Vinyl Film. Easy Auto Wrap Vinyl Film with a shiny red metallic effect. The material is very durable and great for long-term branding of fleet or race cars. It is only 3.9 mils thick, yet it stretches perfectly and takes any shape. You won't have to worry about warping, stretching, or other imperfections when gluing and driving. The color will be rich and uniform too. According to the type of application, the film with a dry gluing method, a solvent-based adhesive that is repositionable yet permanent. The manufacturer promises that on the street, such a film will easily last 5 to 7 years. For better adhesion and durability, they recommend using 3M94 primer and 3M Edge sealer. Number 6. WorkPro Ratchet Combination Wrenches. Set of ratchet combination wrenches from WorkPro. The wrenches are made of high-quality chrome vanadium steel and plated with nickel for extra strength and durability. Versatile ratchet mechanism on a ring shed. It is suitable for use with all types of fasteners. 4, 6 and 12-sided, slotted, external torques, and even with rounded edges. Thanks to the 72 teeth of the mechanism, you can work even in the most cramped conditions, turning the wrench only 5 degrees. The wrench's ring tooth is precision machined to maximize force and minimize the risk of slipping. Thanks to the hinge, you can turn the jaw 180 degrees and get into the hardest to reach places. The set includes 8 wrenches in the most common sizes and inches: 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, half, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, and 3/4. And for easy storage and carrying, it comes with a sturdy organizer bag. Number 7. Special clay for detailing. In front of you is a special clay for detangling. It helps to remove dirt from the paintwork, which does not come off with normal washing. There may be insect marks, tar, or bitumen stains on the car. Blue clay removes all of this, preparing it for polishing or application of protective agents, and it is even suitable for tinted and matte surfaces. A set of 4 bars of 100 grams each is designed for one car detailing procedure. The clay is easy to knead in your hands and does not leave streaks when rubbing. And most importantly, it does not contain wax or silicone, which only hides defects, not removes them. Therefore, this clay will be a boon for both professional detailers and ordinary car enthusiasts. Number 8. Cozy Zone Windshield Cover. Winter has arrived and ice has started to appear on car windows. In order not to waste time on cleaning, Cozy Zone has developed a special windshield cover that protects from ice and snow. It is made of dense Oxford 600D fabric with water-repellent impregnation, which reliably protects the fabric from getting wet. The cover measures 63 by 51 inches and fits most cars, trucks, SUVs, and minivans. The cover is secured with adjustable length straps and anti-theft locks. It also comes with a pouch that allows you to put the cover away after use, so you can always carry it with you in the trunk, and it will not take up a lot of space. Number 9. Minix Event Exhaust Hose Reels. I would like to tell you about the exhaust hose reels from Minix Event. This is a first-class solution for exhaust extraction in car service stations, repair shops, and other places where internal combustion engines work. The main advantage is convenience and efficiency. They are designed to manually pull the flexible hose to the desired length and automatically rewind by spring action. Minix Event reels come in motorized or manual drive. Standard hose diameters are 4, 5, 6, and 8 inches. For extra-large applications, there is the XL line with 24 and 36-inch diameter reels. These are suitable for hose diameters from 8 to 18 inches. All reels come fully assembled, ready to install. They can be connected to a central exhaust system using ductwork. Direct mount hair dryers are available for compact models. All in all, whatever exhaust extraction system you need, Minix Event can help you solve it efficiently. Number 10. Icon Vehicle Dynamics Suspension System. Today, I want to tell you about a revolutionary suspension system from Icon Vehicle Dynamics, which will make your ride as comfortable and adaptable as possible. The main features of this system is the possibility of infinite electronic adjustment of shock absorbers right from the cabin. Thanks to the built-in Icon intelligent control computer and special algorithms, the shock absorbers adapt to any terrain automatically, ensuring a perfectly smooth ride. C-Devs are electronically controlled dampers that change damping characteristics in a fraction of a second. Adjusting to the slightest bumps, they react faster than 40 milliseconds. This is controlled by the brain of the system, the Icon Intelligent Control Module, which collects data from sensors and uses special algorithms to adjust the shock absorbers in real time. And the coolest part is that you can control it all via a mobile app. Adjust the basic stiffness of the front and rear shock absorbers independently, from soft to firm. Activate special G-Boost and Corner Boost modes to automatically stiffen the shock absorbers on potholes and sharp turns. The higher the sensitivity, the greater the effect. The app also keeps a detailed log of your trip, distance traveled, average speed, number and strength of overloads in all directions. Thanks for watching the Futuristic Car Chan. If you're passionate about next-level car tech and futuristic mods, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic gadgets and innovations. Stay ahead of the curve, drive into the future with us. See you in the next video.